गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। तो कंजक्शंस का नंबर ए और बी हमने पिछली क्लास में किया था। आज नंबर सी करेंगे। वी राइट द सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग एंड और बट इन द करेक्ट प्लेस। ओके, हमें सेंटेंस को फिर से ये कंजक्शन यूज करके करना है। वी वेंट टू द फन फेयर, वी बॉट कैंडी फ्लॉस। वी वेंट टू द फन फेयर एंड बॉट कैंडी फ्लॉस। I brought my raincoat. It didn't rain. I brought my raincoat, but it did not rain. मैं अपना रेनकोट लाया लेकिन आज बारिश नहीं हुआ। Akram can watch a film. He can meet his friends instead. Akram can watch a film today or can meet his friends instead. ओके, या तो फिल्म देख सकता है या फिर दोस्तों के साथ मिल सकता है। I did like to meet his sister. She is away right now. I did like to meet his sister, but she is away right now. She bought some pencils. She also bought a book. She bought some pencils and a book. दोनों लाइन। Are you wearing your jeans today? Are you wearing a skirt? Are you wearing your jeans or a skirt today? जीन्स पहन रहे हो या स्कर्ट पहन रहे हो? ओके, देन नंबर 7, रेहाना took a taxi. She got stuck in the traffic. रेहाना took a taxi, okay, but she got stuck in the traffic. Manoj is tired. Manoj is thirsty. Manoj is tired and thirsty. I might finish reading a book. I might finish reading it tomorrow. I might finish reading the book today or tomorrow. Juhi has prepared for the exam. Juhi is nervous. Juhi has prepared for the exam but nervous. The birds have found a home on the tree. The squirrel has also found a home on the tree. The birds and the squirrels have found a home on the tree. Prachi was asleep. The noise woke her up. Prachi was asleep, but the noise woke her up. We can go for a picnic. We can also go for the book fair. We can we can go for a picnic and book fair. Ruchi must be reading a book. Ruchi must be playing a piano. Ruchi must be reading a book or playing the piano. ओके, तो आपने देखा एंड बट और का कैसे यूज़ होता है। तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना भूलें। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे।